Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akillahfantine. Today I'm going to be installing the sensational wig Latisha Cloud 9 Swiss Lace What Lace wig. I got it in the color Flamboyage Mocha. I already looked in the packaging, so it came with like styrofoam protecting the hairline, but I took that off because I wanted to already I wanted to see it. I wanted to see. So it's like this color, the perfect color for me. I love these colors so much. It's like my favorite. The lace, it's not a T-part. And yeah, this wig is so beautiful. I see so much people wearing it. I'm not gonna rub my hands through it right now, but I see so much people wearing this wig and it looks so freaking good on them. So I hope it looks that great on me. It will. Watch when I get everything together.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is
I wanted to say to you guys, the cap is so tight on my eyes. I wanted to say to you guys that for this part, to glue it down, you just want to make sure it's really on your hairline. Well, for people like me that like the more natural look, because I don't like my wig to be like down here. I like my big forehead, so I put it right on my forehead. But you guys want to put the wig cap right on your forehead, because when you spray the glue, it could make your wig cap go back, like that happened to me before. It made my wig cap roll off. So you don't want to spray the cap with this. Or with this, I actually prefer using the glue instead of the spray, because for some reason when you respray a spray on the spray, when you respray the spray on the spray, the wig cap rolls back, but for some reason the glue doesn't do that. Anyways, yeah.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see, where did I miss? Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss?
So I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm not leaving this little piece on my hair. I'm just letting it dry a little bit more, because I noticed when I don't leave it like that, I just personally don't do it as good. So that's how I do it.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior wanting to be on my I can't really see, where did I miss? Junior watching, I be on my
Now I'm gonna try to put the wig on and see how it fits my head. Ooh, it's big head friendly. Yes, it is. It definitely is. Ooh, ooh. It's looking pretty crazy. It's looking pretty crazy right now. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. The lace on this, though, I will say is great. I'm just gonna clip it like this so I can see what's going on.
Excuse my manners, I got status. Excuse my manners, I got status. I got status. You want status? See more comments, and I see commas. They gonna tell me we going down there. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on a wrist. Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and peace. What? Why can't losers never lose in peace? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep.
I'll be back when I'm done my makeup. I'm gonna do a tutorial on TikTok, so if you guys want to see how my makeup look turned out, I have music in the background. Follow me on TikTok at Akillahfantine, the same as you here. You can watch how that makeup came out because I'm not doing my makeup on here. So I'm back and my makeup's did. So now I gotta see what's going on with this wig. Sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. So let's see what's going on with it. I know my makeup looks amazing. Thank you for the compliment. Okay, hopefully it wasn't marinating for too long. Cause I'd be ashamed. Okay. Let's see, let's do a quick little brush to get all these, comb to get all these hairs out the way.
I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
This one more time, and I'm just gonna touch up the lace with it. Because one thing about this glue is it will melt the hell out of your lace. I'm gonna tie it down one more time with this. And this time it should be like actually melted perfectly. Okay, now I gotta figure out. Now I gotta figure out what hairstyle I'm going to do with this hair. I think I'm gonna do a side part. Okay, I took it off. This is how it's looking. Now I just need to touch it up with some powder. The same powder that I used for the thing, the cap. Now I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna comb it out.
Yeah.
playing with me. You're telling me I don't even need a hot comb. Sensational did it. I'm still gonna use a hot comb, but Sensational did it. Sensational did it. Let's just... What do you mean? I gotta lay these down, stuff like that, bro. I look great. This one's given. Anyways, doing the most. I'll take my wax. I'm just gonna...
Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you...
So this is the finishing look. What do you guys think? The hair came out beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I have to fix the lace a little bit right there, but I'll worry about that tomorrow. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, guys, go get this wig. There's so many different colors. Go get the wig. If you guys want to see this makeup look, go follow me on TikTok at Akillahfantine. I'll be posting that today or whenever you see this. I think this will be posted after, so it's already posted. And yeah, bye guys.
Close your eyes to get away.